Welcome back. An illegal scrapyard at Bethodda caught fire on Sunday afternoon. Two Bharat Gas godowns and Wallace factory were just 10 meters away from the blazing scrapyard. Also, a residential colony is located behind the scrapyard. Residents were anxious as the fire could have led to a major tragedy. Tragedy was averted as the fire brigade intervened timely. However, till late night there wasn't any arrest.
कितल्यो गाडी हाडल्या हांगासर?
दोन गाडी हाडल्या स्टेशनावेल्यो
तेचे पोंडा
आणि पुणेच्यान एक येयले तीन गाडयो रद्द.
Two godowns of Bharat Gas Company and Wallace factory is just 10 meters away from the scrapyard. Residents were terrified as fire could have led to a major tragedy.
हांगासर व्हडलो सिलिंडराचो गुदाम हांगा जर पेटत जाल्यार आमी कोण आयता आसना जाल्यार सगळ्यांचे घरा बीन वयतले आसले. हे सगळे धंदे चलता ते हांगासर कांयच सारकें ना. कितें तें बंद जावपाक जाय.
आता सध्या थंय कांय हें ना. सध्या बरें कंप्लीट उदक पालन कंप्लीट जाल्लें आहा. आतां कांय प्रॉब्लम कांय ना. कॅज्युलिटी कितें जाता? कॅज्युलिटी इंजुरीज कितें जाल्या? कॅज्युलिटी तशें कांय जावना.
Firefighting teams from Ponda and Kundai and assistance from the local factory was rushed into control and extinguished the blazes. Sources informed that loss of almost 1 lakh has been estimated. Locals say the scrapyard is illegal, but neither they nor police is ready to speak on camera. Till late night, there was neither any arrest nor detention of the offender by the police. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
State government has now given time till August to make the Kolware jail operational. The High Court has granted time to the state government till August. Principal Chief Engineer of Public Works Department has filed an affidavit assuring to complete construction of minimum 7 blocks of the jail by 31st August.
Goa government has stated before the High Court that lack of the funding is not the real reason for delay in commissioning of new central jail at Kolwale. Principal Chief Engineer of Public Works Department has filed an affidavit stating that work of construction is in full swing and at least 7 blocks of the jail will be commissioned by 31st August. The High Court has accepted the statement of the Principal Engineer PWD as an undertaking and has given time to commission the concerned jail partially in respect of the 7 blocks up to 31st August. Present central jail at Aguada is in very poor condition and Goa government has promised to give better infrastructure to the inmates at the proposed Kolwale jail. The High Court will now hear this matter on 9 September. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The Catholic community across the state on Sunday offered special prayers on Palm Sunday, which marks the entry into the Holy Week commemorating the last events of the life of Jesus. Special services were held across the state to mark the occasion, with palms being blessed and distributed to the faithful who spend the day in prayer preparing for the Holy Week.
आयच्या दिसातावन आमी लागशिली तयारी सुरू करता जेजूच्या पास्काच्या पुनर्जीवनपणाचे पुर्बेक तयार जावं. निमणो ब्रेस्तार ज्या दिसा जेजून पवित्र मिसाचें बलिदान घडलें, यादनीकपण स्थापलें आनी प्रिती मोगाची आज्ञा ताणें दिली. दुसरो दीस जेजूच्या कश्टां मरणाचो शुक्रार. ह्या दिसा कुर्साच्या पलंगार जेजून आपली वेंग उगडून पातकान रेवळलेल्या मनशाक आपले वेंगेन घेतलो. आपल्या रोगतान पातकाचें फारीकपण दिवन ह्या आपल्या मोगाच्या मनशाची जेजून सोडवण केली. आनी तिसरो दीस म्हणल्यार पास्काचो आयतार. खेरीत भाशेन हो जावन आसा शेवट आनी तेंगशी प्राचीत काळाची. मरणांतलो पुनर्जीवन जावन मनशाच्या जिवितान नवो भरवसो ताणें उदेलो. खेरीत भाशेन हे निमणे दीस लागशिली तयारी, उदीक ओत्मीक तयारी संदनाच्या संस्कारांतल्यान आमी करुया आनी जेजूच्या पुनर्जीवनपणाचे पुर्बेक आमी तयार जावया.
Savio Dice for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.